Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to another shed vlog. We have a huge update with plenty happening. Obviously I'm standing on some concrete. We've had the apron happen. We've got Owen leaning against you, and we've got Otis here keep an eye on everything like he normally does. Yeah, plenty's happening. More on the inside of the shed. As I said in the last episode, we had the floor had been polished and sealed, and we didn't show you guys any of that, but we're going to do that now. We have the apron done, which is amazing. I've had to build this step up here with the little tractor. So as you can see from behind us here, we've got a pile of dirt that'll compact really nicely. I'm gonna do the rest all the way down here and try and compact what we've lost, go all the way down the hill and all the way down there from all the rain that we've had. But as you can see, everything's nice and green. But let's get inside and have a look. Also, we have walls up as well. So we might start from this end just to show you the floor. Bit of a mess in here. So Matt from ECP Solutions did my floor. He's done the Willen shed as well, but this is a lot better. It's a little bit dirty at the moment. We're gonna give this a nice wash before we actually sort of move into here, but this is the sealed and fleck that he's put onto the floor, and it looks bloody unreal. I absolutely love it. We've got shit everywhere at the moment. Obviously, we've got the dirt bike, mountain bikes. Obviously, Loretta's been living in here and she's left her mark in here already. A couple of oil marks, they'll come off though. And we move into the living space. Obviously, we've got our walls up. Dimo's been in here and done an absolute amazing thing. I reckon there's about 4 or 5 days of work in here, but with the concrete, we've polished this bit here. It's not too different, so you can sort of see the difference in the two, but we've got underfloor heating in here, which is that sort of connection over there. This will obviously be the kitchen in here. That'll go to there. And then we move into the bedroom. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, linen closet or whatever is in here. Obviously Otis is doing the rounds. Yeah, this will be a window in here, window on the back wall over here. In that sort of section there, we have bathroom. So you'll have to walk out here and then walk into the shower and bathroom in here. Because I'm getting old, so I asked for them to put a seat in the shower. So when I'm not feeling too good, I'll just turn the shower and I'll just sit here like this. Owen can come in as well, I guess, but we'll have a mounted shower on the edge there, and then one from the roof. What do you reckon, Otis? Not too bad, eh? Pretty flash for us mongrels, isn't it? What else we got? Oh yeah, the mezzanine. Up top here, this is gonna be the TV room. So I don't know how I'm gonna get my couch up there, or the stairs are gonna run on that side, but I don't know how they're actually gonna run. So we've gotta work that out yet, but this wall here continues, and then we're gonna have a bunch of storage. So up here is storage as well. There's not a whole lot of room, so I can stand up here, but then you've got the ceilings are gonna come up and they'll be sort of around here. So I'll probably be like, walk around like this, but we're gonna put the TV on that wall there. And so when you're sitting down, my couch is pretty low, plenty of room. Still be able to see my cars through there because that's gonna be a big window. So there'll be a window and doors, that whole sort of space there. It's gonna be a pretty decent sort of space. Window up here. Storage is gonna be a bit of a pain in the ass. I guess I'll just send Sunny through here to put all her stuff down here whenever she moves down so she can do all that stuff. But hey, we're getting pretty close. The next episode, you guys will see electrical and then plastering and windows, I reckon. That'll all be in the next one, but we're getting there. So I'm bloody excited. I've paid for all the appliances. I've paid for the windows, kitchen, bench top, I've paid for that. We've just got the kitchen, bespoke kitchens. Those guys are coming on board. They're gonna help us out with the kitchen. So we're gonna go down there and see them and show you guys what we've actually chosen. They'll have that sort of stuff in there when that's getting made because they're gonna come out and do a measurement. But yeah, Just a standard racetrack around my house here. Everyone's sort of flogging around.
Mate, you look like a gremlin up there.
So like originally, I was gonna take 2 bays, or 3 bays it would be, but that's just like a massive sort of living area. And like, I reckon the laundry is gonna be, see where that pipe is there? So this will be like the laundry sink, and then also be running our local dog fights. No, we're not, obviously not. Already would ruin Owen, poor Owen. But yeah, so then we'll have like washing machine and stuff stacked here. Then I'm gonna do a little home gym. So from there to here will be dumbbells, and on the other side of that will be a sauna. And then nice little rubber mat set out here. And so you can still park there, and that 4-post that's in the shed, I'm thinking about putting it in this corner over here. So then whatever cars are finished, so like the Monaro or the HX can sit up in there, and then we can still park in here, because there's still heaps of space. But yeah, originally that was gonna be the whole thing, but we were actually gonna do this whole from here all the way to here was gonna be one big window, glass, doors sort of thing. And then I got that quoted up, and I sort of said, no, we can't do that because it costs more than the shed itself. So, but yeah, we sort of settled with the same sort of height as that roller door, because there's gonna be a window and doors in there as well. So whatever this height is here will be window, and then 2 big doors in the front. And then this will be like the living area. So there'll be an island bench around here. And then this will be a nice little sitting area for when you're having your coffee in the morning. And looking out to that, which I can't wait. I mean, and then like you'll be able to see Loretta just in there as well, you know, having a coffee. I mean, Sonny will probably be looking at the view. I'll be sitting in here and looking at my cars, you know. I can't wait. Living in a shed, I mean, who would have thought? But I'm so excited. I think Sonny's excited too, so, well, she doesn't have a choice, because she can live in the old farmhouse, but we'll knock that down, because you can't have 2 places where you're living. So that'll knock down, then you gotta live here. But yeah, so that's the shed update, people. We've got water tanks coming in. That'll be on the other side. I'm gonna do 60,000 litre tank. Should be on that side of the shed. And then we'll have sort of taps there, and then tap running over here as well. Out here, we're gonna do like a little barbecue area out here where Loretta is. Might sort of build this up. Nice little pizza oven, and the smoker will go on the corner over here. We might build like a little veranda thing or something like that. I mean, Rod from Louver House, he can probably sort me out with a little open and closing roof. He sponsors my radio. Get him out here to do something, which would be cool. We're getting there, people. Thanks to filters. That's why I got my filters, me hoodie on. But yeah, no, we've done most of the stuff, waiting on flashings just on the insides here of the roller doors and that, because it's going to be a window. Getting pretty bloody close. So I'm extremely excited, and hopefully be in it by the end of the year if I've got enough money. Might have to sell Loretta to finish her off.
No, mate, OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, exactly. New job. So hope you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. He looked. Probably just made this one work. You right, stupid? What do you reckon? You ready to go? Ready to bloody go?